Alright, so we're about to react to Adin Ross shooting his Cybertruck right now. So we're about to see how much the fuck does the Cybertruck even cost? Like, what the fuck? He's about to shoot the fuck out of it. This is 52 minutes. He was shooting the Cybertruck for 52 minutes? Alright, this the perfect test. Elon gotta post his bitch on his page. If he don't, that's fucked up. How many views this shit got? 350,000 views in 1 day. Okay. Okay, why they got the windows down? They need to have the windows up. That's the real test. They need to have the windows up. Is this like dangerous so like something don't shoot out of the windows, like the glass shooting everywhere? I don't know. They need to have the glass. We need to know if that's bulletproof. The car being bulletproof is okay, like this thick ass metal. But we need to know if the windows is bulletproof, Adin. Like, come on. If you're gonna do the test, shoot the fucking whole car. You gotta roll the windows up.
Okay. So feet shoulders apart. Right foot slightly back. Bend your knees. Upper body forward.
Look at this man.
You're gonna put the sock into the socket of the shoulder. This one or this one? Okay.
No cap, they gotta shoot. Tell me how to shoot a big ass gun too. I don't know how to shoot a big ass gun.
Yeah.
Every fucking video I watch, niggas shooting a big ass gun, they arm get damn to blow off.
You're doing it right now?
Like I'm blowing my own damn arm off.
Is it gonna ricochet hit me? Promise? What are the chances that happens? What?
A 50-50 chance of what, y'all? What the fuck you said? If he gonna shoot himself?
This one or this one? Okay. Oh my god, I'm gonna shoot it. Yeah, that's iron sight. Yeah. You're doing it right now?
He said, you doing it right now? He said, I wouldn't shoot it for.
Promise? What are the chances that happens? What?
How bulletproof is it? This is like a bulletproof where it don't go through, or is it bulletproof like that bitch bounce off? Cause this shit dangerous as fuck if this shit just bounce off. But that'd be lit, like, cause then come and shoot at my car, I want the fucking bullets to bounce back at the ass.
So, if it ricochets, not it. Okay, you're right. No, you're right. I like that. Are you scared? Are you scared of it? Alright, is this right?
Look at this man. Why this man Adin so awkward, bro?
Upper body forward, lean into it. We're good there. Like you're gonna squat. There you go, just like that. Shoot it. Should I shoot it? Why are you standing back?
He's like, do I shoot? Shoot, man. Shoot the gun, Adin. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Alright, that's not bulletproof, huh, y'all?
Again?
That's not giving really bulletproof. It's like it went through that motherfucker. This man broke the gun and shit. Alright, this nigga Adin's fucking awkward as fuck. Let me skip through it. It took him fucking 3 minutes to shoot the second bullet. Like, come on, Adin. Like, what are you doing? This nigga breaking the gun and shit. Alright, let's go. I want to see him shoot that bitch for real. Alright, they gave him another gun. The other one was fucked. I don't know why they gave him that old ass gun anyway. I don't know. What is this, y'all? All the COD players, what the fuck gun do we have right now?
Shoot it? Yep. Oh my fucking god. Oh my god.
Yeah, Adin!
This is so inaccurate. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Hold the thing down and shoot that bitch for real. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Y'all think it's bulletproof right now? I don't know. It's not looking bulletproof. The only fucked up part about this is like the Cybertruck just came out. And they already having like production problems and shit like this. So if you got one of these bitches, it's kind of like rare that you have it. So he about to shoot this shit up and he not gonna be able to get that bitch repaired for a long ass time. So W Aiden for shooting up in Cybertruck, bro. Yeah.
Holy shit, boss! Oh. Does that go through? Dude! Oh my... Oh my... Dude! Oh.
Elon, what's up, bro? That shit could have ricocheted and hit me. You saying the car bulletproof, but the fucking bullet just got through. What's going on?
Huh? Yeah, it is past the test, though.
Is the windows bulletproof? That's what we need to see.
Yeah, I fucked up.
Niggas is not aiming at the bottom of your like nigga not aiming at the body of your car. Nigga trying to kill you, they're gonna fucking shoot through the window. Like who the fuck aiming at the body of the car? Roll the windows up, hey. We need to see if the shit go through the windows. Like you got money, get another Cybertruck, brother. Like you doing the most. Like roll the window up.
Bro, the MP5 you get high off that shit. That shit is crazy. It's like God. Look at you, you little bitch.
My nigga got fucking.
I guess you have.
My nigga got this fucking body on out here.
That is actually nuts. Look at these holes. Yeah, I fucked up. Bro, the MP5 you get high off that shit. That shit is crazy. It's like God. Look at you, you little bitch.
My nigga got a fucking body on here, y'all. What the fuck? My nigga just waking up. This bitch better have braids or something else under this shit, right?
I guess you have. Yeah.
This nigga decided to go outside like that to watch a nigga shoot up a Cybertruck.
You wanna shoot it?
When they hit your body, they mushroom, so it creates more damage.
Ah. So, when the bullet goes like this and it hits,
It spreads. So,
Alright, they learn about that shit. Like,
not so speaking. So look, you see these little lines?
yeah.
There's many more there.
damn, they really putting that bitch through the test. They doing all type of guns.
Right now?
Yeah.
Alright, fuck it, I'll do it.
They about to do a shotgun right now, y'all.
Is it gonna move me?
That's the ain't shit the fucking shotgun. He about to blow his fucking arm off, y'all. Hold on, let me see.
Alright, here, put this on, baby.
Let me see this nigga. Look at this nigga stats, y'all. What the fuck? Look at this nigga stats, y'all.
Oh my god, dude, I'm scared.
Upper body forward. There you go, just like that.
Just go in.
Look at this nigga stats, y'all. Like, if nigga breaking his house, like what the fuck? What the fuck, Aiden? He about to blow all his shoulder off. Watch this, y'all.
And then you see the front?
Yeah.
So
You ready, guys? Are they ready?
you guys ready?
It was you right there. Nigga.
My name is Adin Ross, and we're shooting a shotgun against a Tesla truck.
Damn. That bitch knock all your fucking window out. Shit.
What if I hit that window, bro? I was caught. Oh.
I don't know. They're not showing it shooting through the window. I don't know. That's what we need to see. Like, fuck if the body is bulletproof. Like, we trying to see. Oh, yeah, he rolled that bitch up. Yeah, ain't not fucks with you. Let me see. He rolled the window up, y'all. Let's see. Yeah, of course. There's no one.
I just need to shoot here. I had to go through. You did?
Right there, right on my finger.
Man, y'all.
Yeah.
I think I did something. Roll the window up or something.
I'll pay for it.
It opens. Oh, you shattered the glass. You broke the glass.
I'll pay for it.
Wow.
Oh, you love Mars?
No, stop. Actually, the glass is broke. Careful, careful.
Is it go broken in
Yeah,
there?
yeah. Look right here.
Okay, Elon, this shit not bulletproof, bro. Like, if niggas shoot me through my window, that's what nigga aiming at. Like, that's the shit you're supposed to make bulletproof. Like, The fact that the body of the car is bulletproof is like, okay, that's not what we was going for. Like, you said on stage, like when you broke the window, that this is gonna be fixed, my nigga. Aiden just shot his shit for us, so that we know, like, not to get the Cybertruck now, like, cause it's not bulletproof. Like, I would have got the Cybertruck. All you had to do was say it was just a Cybertruck. You had to say it's bulletproof and shit like that. And nigga dead. Let me see what the fuck happened to the window,
Start
man.
rolling it up, yeah? No, it wasn't, dude. It was not very broken, bro. It's not gonna shatter.
Oh, okay, it's not shattered. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Stop, comedy.
Nah, y'all. Look at this. Look at this right here. This little piece right here would have hit me, or something like that, and I would have sued Tesla. This little piece right here, that look like that went through, huh, y'all? They gotta check the inside of the car. We gotta see the real proof.
Oh god, match this up.
It's taken like 50 shots.
Hey, yo, I'm on, bro. Elon. No, not refund. We just gotta put it on the truck, bro. I'll literally give this back. Please. You get out.
Nigga said I get this back to you, bitch. Fuck you. I wonder if this shit got through for real. Let me see. They look like they opened that bit a little bit right here. Let me see.
Can we see it?
Yeah.
You want to try to walk it real quick?
I don't know.
Slowly. You roll it up like with this one. No. Try rolling it up with this one.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
That's
That's the fragments?
That's
That's
crazy.
crazy.
Okay, look like I didn't get through that motherfucker. All right, Elon, you coming through with the fucking Cybertruck. I fucks with you, Elon. I ain't never doubted you.
I should have last break. Yeah. Would they send me to Brazil though? To Bear?
All right, so he basically shooting all different type of guns. He about to shoot a bear. This is a bear 50 cal, y'all. He about to shoot a sniper at that bitch. So if nigga trying to snipe you, like, is that bitch gonna get through? That's what we need to figure out. Most of the time, these niggas learning how to shoot the guns and shit, though. I don't know. All right, it took him like 15 minutes to learn how to shoot the sniper. He still ain't shoot this bitch yet.
Got it. That is fucking. I'm not even holding it at all. I'm touching it. You ever shot a sniper before? It's crazy. Oh yeah, let's go to the shop.
Okay, he's saying that bitch sensitive, like type shit.
Yeah, I'm calling you.
He said that sniper with the sniper right? Is he gonna shoot that bitch with the sniper? What the fuck? These niggas fighting and shit. What the fuck?
Wait.
I'm not touching you, dumbass.
Damn. Nigga tase the fuck out of him. That's fucked up.
You've been a shitty manager lately. Are you sure?
Oh, he about to tase him. What the fuck?
Oh my god.
Would y'all let a nigga tase y'all? Would y'all let y'all friend tase y'all for fun? Just for fun, though.
Oh my god, I can't do this. Will, I feel so bad.
Do I hold it? Let me know when you're ready, sir.
Okay, but read what I say it.
Oh my god.
Okay, I just texted you back though.
Oh my god. Are you okay? Oh my god.
He like, wait, motherfucker, let me get right.
She said that she just sent out. Would you look at me?
Swear, I don't know if you, yeah, swear,
Damn, them bitches like go in your skin and like connect in your skin type shit. Uh, damn. Why they have to block it out on the yeah?
That
Yeah, I'm sure.
And
And
he's
he's
chilling
chilling
now.
now.
Oh,
Oh,
he's
he's
a
a
medic.
medic.
He
He
patched
patched
himself
himself
up.
up.
Like I know how to get this bitch right.
Oh my
Oh my
god.
god.
Change
Oh, he
the
said you doing it.
Oh,
Would y'all trust Aiden to do this shit? I don't know.
Like you?
Alright, so they tasing niggas and shit now.
I've got a sheriff.
But alright, more of the story. It looked like the Cybertruck kinda bulletproof type shit. But they ain't really had the windows up. Like how many like niggas shooting switches and shit now. Switches letting off like 100 shots. I need to let them see them niggas shoot a switch at that motherfucker to see if that bitch gonna get through. Cause that's what we really afraid of. These young niggas got switches and shit like.